Hi everybody, so this video is going to be doing some descriptive writing based on a picture prompt. So the writing will be based around this piece of artwork, which is called Tiger in a Tropical Storm, Surprise, and it was painted by Henry Russo, who is a famous artist. If you want a larger image of this, you can actually Google it and you'll be able to find lots of pictures from it, so you can have a good look at it. So our steps to success will be looking at the piece of artwork and using our imagination and senses to develop a range of vocabulary based around this artwork. It will then help us to write a descriptive setting, and we're going to be looking at something called rainbow writing criteria, which will help you to structure your sentences. This is an optional thing, you don't have to use it. You can also challenge yourself by creating your own rainbow writing criteria that you can use in your writing. So first of all, I would want you to have a little look at the image and take 5 minutes to think about the language that you could use linked to each sense. So you can see here that I've just drawn up a very basic table and I've put the different senses in. So see, hear, smell and touch are the main ones to focus on. So have a good look at the picture, stop it now, and then you can come back to it and think about what you can see, hear, smell and touch. Perhaps you want to be the animal, which you can see a tiger there. Perhaps you can see rain. Think about what else you can see and what would make sounds. What would it sound like? What would it smell like there? And use your imagination. You've all got great imaginations that you could use. Once you've done that table, this is really going to help you to start your writing. And this is the rainbow writing criteria that I was putting in the success criteria earlier. This is just an example. You don't have to use all of these. You can write it completely by yourself if you want to. But this prompt will help you write 12 sentences with all of the different VCOP included. So vocabulary, conjunctions, openers and punctuation. You can put these in order, so you can start off writing sentence 1, which is there, and then work your way down. Or it might be that you use them as checklist and then you tick them off as you go along. As a challenge, you could also think of your own criteria using VCOP to challenge yourself with. So you can see that you might include different types of prepositions, different types of vocabulary, different types of conjunction, put them into the grid, and then you can tick them off as you go along. So it's a really open-ended task and it should be enjoyable. There's so much to see in this piece of artwork. It's one of my favourite pieces of artwork, and I hope that you enjoy writing lots of descriptive settings based around this.